The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is gearing up for a January release next year, despite the fact that we're still a few months away. The leaks and speculations are already drawing a vivid picture of what to anticipate. The South Korean conglomerate will retain a 200-megapixel back camera setup with support for 100x zoom capability on the S24 Ultra, but we've recently learned that Samsung may reduce the device's 10x optical zoom to 5x, but with a much higher resolution count of 50 megapixels compared to 10 megapixels on the S23 Ultra. Currently, Samsung is recognized for constantly showering its Ultra models with the highest specifications and features available, and has done so from the beginning. The Ultra gadgets usually receive all of the focus, including the greatest cameras and displays, but to be fair, every other manufacturer in the business does the same thing with their higher-end devices. However, it seems that Samsung will take a different approach in one critical area this time around. A highly reputable source specialized in Samsung-related leaks has revealed a substantial change in the display technology plan for the next Galaxy S24 series. Unlike prior years, when advanced display technology was reserved for the Ultra version, Samsung has opted to unify its display offerings across all three models this year. According to TechReef, all three models in the Galaxy S24 series will use LTPO-M13 screens with a peak brightness of 2500 nits. Historically, only the Ultra models could boast LTPO panels and the capacity to attain higher brightness levels, so this is a very positive step by Samsung and one that buyers will undoubtedly like. This strategic upgrade indicates that non-Ultra models will eventually benefit from variable refresh rates, which is a huge improvement in preserving that valuable battery life. While the 2500 nits peak brightness would also largely refer to the panel's ability to boost brightness while displaying HDR-compatible content. This adjustment in approach is beneficial, since the regular and Plus models are both considered flagship phones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.